In this very quick video guide, I want to talk about this website called Google Fonts. So you can find this just by searching Google Fonts in Google, and you can go directly if you want to a particular type of fonts, for example sans serif or serif, or you can go directly here in the main website. Now you will find here fonts and icons and all the information here, and also the open source information, the license information, and so on. So if we go here to browse fonts, we can check all the fonts that are available. You can also type your sentence here. So let's type, for example, Google Fonts and icons, and you can also increase the size, and then you can check. You can look for something that you like for your project, for example, or for anything, for your graphic design or website, and so on. So for example, when I find something that I like, I can just click here and you will find all the information about this font. So you can see here the styles, the glyphs, and also you can check the information about the designer and the license. So in this case, this is Open Font license. And again, you can see here other ways you can use this in combination with other fonts, and you have all styles here. You can add more styles. This is another one, and you can embed a font in the head of your HTML if you're doing web design or web development, and you can download the zip file where you're gonna find that particular font, and you can open it. Here you have all the information about the license, and this one here need to be placed in the folder, in the Windows folder, or you can extract them using an extracting software. And once they are extracted, you can just drag and drop this. Okay, so you can just double click here and install this on your computer, and then you can use it with any application. Now let's go back here to the home page, and this is the other file about the license if you want to know more about this. And well, technically it's open source, so you can use it for any reason. And also here you have the selected families. On the top right, you can also share using this link. You can close this panel. Now, if you're looking for something in particular, you can also type what you're looking for. For example, this one here also, it's really interesting open source. And again, I can click here to download, check all the information about this. Also the official website, designer, license, and pairings again. And then I can make some testing and so on. Also about the icon here, if you want, you can select one icon. You can also download this in vector graphics as VG or PNG raster image without background, and choose the size, the color, and you also have here a CSS that you can use for developers. And again, you have for Android, iOS. And when you're ready, you can download it and use it, perhaps to design your application using Adobe XD or something, some software for user experience or user interface. So this will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also leave your comments, can be questions or also suggestions for other users. And subscribe, stay tuned, and see you in the next video.